We're making protein pancakes. Okay, we're gonna grab 1 egg and start mixing it in our blender. We're gonna pour half a cup of healthy milk, and I have a video that shows you how to make it, and I'll put the link up on the left or right, or if not, down in the description. So yep, I'm almost out of milk, so I gotta make some more. Time to pour into the blender. We're gonna put some almond powder for protein and for some flavoring, and we're only gonna put the cup they give us. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of flaxseed onto our blender. This is not required, this is only optional if you want to. You could put either 1 or 2 tablespoons of cane syrup, it all depends, and this is also organic, so if you want to use that one, or you can use either one, whatever you want. We're also gonna put some cinnamon. It all depends on how flavor you want it. I just use it for flavor, I like the texture of it, so it all depends on you. For the hemp seed, I only put 1 tablespoon because of the extra protein, but that's up to you if you guys want to add it or not. Now add half a cup of this pancake mixer. Now it's time to close the lid and start blending it. Woo! You can leave it how long you want, if you want it very stirred or not, but I leave it for 60 seconds just to make sure. Also, I use avocado oil. Now with this, it will give you 2 pancakes per mixing. Alright, now they're almost done. Time to flip them. And then for your finished pancakes, you either can put syrup if you want, or if you don't want to, I just add some fruit just to add some flavor to it to make it better, and I don't have to add syrup. Like if you enjoy watching this, and subscribe if you want to watch more videos like these. Thank you.